Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can turn off NSFW on your Reddit apps. Okay, NSFW it means not safe for work, so it's related to adult and graphic context. So if you want to stop watching this kind of thing content on your Reddit, so you can easily turn it off this option. So watch that video till the end, then you will learn. So now let's go to your Reddit. So click on your Reddit and then go to your top right corner on your screen. You can see the human icon, and here you can see click settings in the bottom part on your screen. Click settings and then scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option uh, show NSF content. Okay, so by default it's off, but when you notice that it's turning on automatically or whatever, so then you can just click here, turn it off. Then you are not able to see graphical contents or adult things on your Reddit apps. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my